The new rapidstrike Raptor Strike with adjustable bipod, bolt action, and pop-up sight, designed for precision targeting. And with the rapidstrike Nerf dart, this can take blasting to a whole new level. The new rapidstrike Raptor Strike.
New from Nerf Zombie Strike. The all-new Doominator. Get ready to dominate hordes of zombies. Now strike back big with 4 6-dart rotating drums firing 24 darts. All-new Doominator from Zombie Strike. Available now exclusively at Smith's Toy Superstores.
Nerf or nothing!
A new Nerf Mega Mastodon. The most massive motorized Mega Blaster from Nerf. Unleash a 24-dart onslaught of whistling foam fury. And when we say the Mastodon is massive, we mean huge. Fully motorized with rotating drum. New Nerf Mega Mastodon. Shoulder strap included. Batteries aren't. It's Nerf or nothing.
Want it? Full-on 30-round capacity, quad barrel, slam fire, bicep. Boom!
Dude, you almost shot Jerry.
I did. Sorry.
I'm cool.
Jerry, sorry.
Is there a better blaster?
What?
Too cool for you.
Yeah, okay.
The all-new 30-round Rival Artemis. We're done.
This introduces the new Tri-Strike. For this mission, you'll need 3 types of firepower. Performance, power, impact. Modulus Tri-Strike. The performance of Elite, the power of Mega, and the impact of a Modulus missile is in your hands. New Nerf Modulus Tri-Strike blasters and upgrade kits each sold separately. Explore the ever-expanding Modulus system and build on.
It's Nerf or nothing.
Nerf, the customizable Modulus regulator with the regulator's first ever switch-fire technology. 3 modes for 3 missions. Fire a targeted single dart blast. Flip the switch and change the mission to burst fire. 3 darts at once. Switch again for continuous blasting. When you build a blaster for any mission, this is how we play. Modulus regulator with switch fire comes with everything shown, batteries not included.
Here's the Nerf N-Strike Elite Strike Blaster from Hasbro. Now kids can power up their blaster and take on targets with motorized semi-automatic action. Press the acceleration trigger to power up your blaster's motor, and then launch your Elite darts one-handed up to 75 feet. Reload fast with the quick reload clip. The Nerf N-Strike Elite Strike Blaster is for kids aged 8 and up and comes with 6 Elite darts and quick reload clip. Requires 4 AA batteries, which are not included. The Nerf N-Strike Elite Strike Blaster from Hasbro.
My name is Alyssa Enderle. I'm a project engineer on the Nerf Rival team. Oh, and this is the Prometheus Blast. This is the Prometheus Rival Blaster. Prometheus has an advanced acceleration system, which comes from the high-capacity rechargeable onboard battery. This means you can shoot up to 8 rounds per second, more rounds at a faster rate than any other Nerf blaster. My favorite part is this insane capacity that holds about 200 rounds. That means during battling, I don't have to stop and pick up rounds. I can just fill up, and I'm ready to go. See you on the battlefield, Nerf Nation.